welcome back to my channel. This is Kiana and I'm here to do something totally different. I'm doing a natural hair tag so you get to know me just a little bit better, because I know you love watching my videos, but I know you're like, who is this girl? Tell me about her. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, and let's jump right into these questions. So I have my phone, so if I'm looking down, that's exactly why I'm looking down. If you want deets about this hair, go to my channel and look for my Soultanicals twist out video. And yeah, let's jump right into these questions. Alright, so the first question is, tell us a little about you. So my name is Kiana. I am 31 years old. I live in Brooklyn, New York. I currently work at a charter school in Brooklyn. I'm currently in school to become a social worker, something that is really dear and passionate to me. I have no children. Like, I don't have time for that right now, but I love children. Like, they swear I'm their auntie, their mommy, all that stuff. I'm the second youngest of 7, the youngest girl. Yeah, you know, that's me. Okay, so the next one is, are you natural? How do you feel about your hair? Yes, I am 100% natural. I love my hair. I never thought my hair can get to how it was. I know when I was younger, my hair was super thick and long, and I was so tender-headed, and I really did not like to comb my hair. I mean, my hair was severely long, guys, but I just really wanted this perm, and you know, once I did that perm, that was it. My hair was gone. How long have I been natural? I've been natural going on 3 years. My anniversary is December 12th or 14th. One of those days, we'll say December 12th. And yeah, my best friend cut my hair in her bathroom and she was nervous. I told her just cut it off. And I was transitioning for 17 months. And yeah. Why did I go natural? I honestly do not know. I stopped getting perms because I was doing a lot of protective styling. I was wearing a lot of sew-ins, and every single time I thought about getting a perm, it didn't make any sense because my hair was always in some type of protective style. So next you know, the months went by and I'm like, wow, like, I have a lot of new growth. It's super thick. My hair, because I was perming it so much, it was becoming a little bit thin. It was breaking off. And yeah, there was no reason why I became natural. I just ended up natural, and I'm like, you know what, let me just get on this wave. Let me just try this out and see. And if I don't like it, I can always perm my hair. Was anyone against your decision? If yes, how did you surpass it? I don't think anyone was against my decision to go natural. I mean, I became natural at the age of what, 27, 28. I was growing up to make my own decisions. So yeah, no one was like telling me not to do it. I mean, my mom, because I was like, oh, your hair is already so long and now you gotta cut it short. And you know how black people are when it comes to hair. But yeah, like, other than that, like, my mother got over it until she saw, like, wow, your hair is beautiful. My mother's like, oh no, that's my hair you have on your head, that's my hair. I'm like, oh, now it's yours. But yeah, that was really it. What is your hair type and how do you manage it? So my hair type, 3C, 4A, a little bit of 4B. Definitely in the back, it's more of a, definitely in the back is more of like a 3C, 4A texture. The middle crown of my head, because it's so thick, is like definitely like 4B. It has to be like 4B. And my perimeter, I want to say it's like 3C, 4A. And how do you manage it? I do my hair every week. Every week, probably every 2 weeks. I love protective styling. So yeah, that's really it. Like, I love doing my hair. It's something that I take pride in. So how do you keep your hair moisturized and healthy? Again, I do my hair every week. I use things that are moisturizing. I'm into repairing my hair. I love a protein treatment. Now I love Olaplex. Like, you know, I just stay on top of my hair. If my hair is not good, I'm not good. What are your go-to natural hair products? My hair loves anything that is thick. A thick butter, a thick cream. It loves a thick leave-in. My hair just loves thick products. Especially since I colored my hair. My hair needs that moisture because I do not want my ends to break. Go-to products, I always have to have a gel to style my hair. That's a must. Like, please, my hair is very frizzy, okay? Like, I need gel. If I want to say a brand, I love all. Like, I love my Mael, I love my Main Choice, I love my Alakay, I love my TGIN, I love my Soultanicals. I mean, yeah, black-owned businesses, guys, black-owned businesses. How do you style your hair? Usually I do twist outs. I used to love braid outs, but they just haven't been working for me lately. I need to try some new things. I love wash and goes now, but mainly twist outs because I can get a nice little stretch. And yeah, that's what I usually style my hair in. What's your favorite protective hairstyle? I love me Marley twists. I love the ruggedy look. Marley twists are everything to me. And then I love faux locks. Faux locks and Marley twists are neck and neck with me. Ugh, they're really neck and neck. Those are my go-to protective styles. Oh, and then I also love a wig. Like, I throw a wig on real quick, real quick. Do I use heat on my hair? Yes, only to blow dry my hair. I flat ironed my hair one time at this natural hair, salon, and it didn't go too well. I have my story time video on my channel about my natural hair experience. Please check that out if you want to know what happened. It was, yeah. I mean, I want to do it again, but yeah, no. Do you hair experiment? Coloring? I color my own hair. That's about it. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Have you faced any challenge as a natural? Definitely patience. I learned to have a game plan. Like, okay, I'm gonna do my hair at like 8 o'clock in the morning so I could be done or twisted up by 11. Like, I have to have patience. I need to schedule it in. I'm not even penciling in my plan. I'm permanently putting it with a marker. Like, I'm doing my hair. If I know I'm going out on a weekend, I have to game plan. Okay, like, what am I doing with this hair? Like, it just put me on a schedule, so I already know. Like, my friends know, oh, yep, Kiana's doing her hair this Saturday, Friday. Or my friend like, Kiana, okay, Friday night we're going out, so don't detangle your hair. Okay, we're going out. Put it in a puff. So yeah, definitely being on task. That, whew, yeah. How do you manage bad hair days? In a puff, or I would just add some water, more product, and do a stretch, twist out, braid out, because I have some bad hair days, and my friends know. Please, if I'm complaining about my hair, I'm gonna do something about it. Puff, or I just do again, stretch, braid out, stretch, twist out, just retwist it. But yeah, I'm not washing my whole head over. Like, no, I'm not doing that. Can you share with us your thoughts on natural hair and relax? Becoming natural is your own decision. Having a perm is your own decision. Perms, to me, it is what it is. Your hair can still be healthy with a perm. Like, that's how I feel. It just depends on how you manage it. I was never introduced to protein treatments, and I feel as if I was introduced to protein treatments with my permed hair, my hair would have been so much stronger. Like, I really believe so. Natural hair is a huge commitment. You cannot just let your hair do whatever it wants. Your hair will get tangled. You'll be miserable. You'll be in pain. Your hair will be falling out. Your hair will not cooperate. Your hair will not bounce back into like its natural curls. Like, it's a huge commitment, but it's a beautiful end result. Like, it's so versatile. I love being natural, and I really did love having my perm. Like, I loved my perms. But yeah, like, it's your own personal decision, to be completely honest. Like, whatever goes with your lifestyle. If you know you're working 90 hours a week and you have kids, and you taking care of a home, and you don't have any time for yourself, your hair is, you can't even do your hair. So it's all about your lifestyle and how much you're willing to sacrifice when you're doing your hair. But natural hair is amazing. Like, I'm a little biased. What hair rules have you stick to as a natural? I don't co-wash. I think it's pointless. That's my own personal opinion. Do not come for me. I don't co-wash. I trim, I'm gonna say every 6 months. People say, oh, trim every 3 months, whatever. Yeah, every 6 months. What else? I protective style. People's like, oh, you shouldn't protective style your hair. I'll throw some braids and twist in my hair real quick if I'm being really lazy or I'm going on vacation. Honestly, I do not co-wash. Please, that's not for my hair. Absolutely. Where can we find you? In Brooklyn, New York. I'm always in Brooklyn, so if you're from Brooklyn, like, let's go out for a drink. Oh, I mean, have some of my children follow me. Let's go out for apple juice. What do you have to say to the new upcoming and already naturals? Don't worry about what other people are doing with their hair. Everyone's hair grows at different paces. Everyone's hair is different. Everyone's hair thickness, density is different. Everyone's texture is different. I'm just documenting my hair and how some things can work for you, but not everything will work for you. So one thing can work for me, but it may not work for you. Just don't worry about it. People crave to have this soft textured hair, and some days when my hair get really rough and I'm like, whoo, girl. Yeah, like, you have 4C hair, embrace it. Those kinks, please, that your hair is healthy, nice and thick. one side of my hair is thicker than the other. It's not as dense as this side. Everyone's hair is different. Everyone's hair is not perfect. It's just how you embrace it. So don't worry about other people, their length. Oh, my hair, I want it to be long. And no. Embrace your hair. Your goal should be healthy, natural hair. And already natural, just continue to embrace it. I have a lot of my kids following me in junior high school, even elementary school, like, Miss Redden, like, I love your hair, and like, I want you to do my hair. And just embrace, especially the babies, like, they don't know what to do with their hair. Some of their parents don't even know how to do their hair. So help the little ones out, and if you gotta like do a little twist out for them, make sure it's okay with their parents, and just help them out and just embrace. I tell my children, when I see them, I'm like, hey beautiful, hey handsome. Like, I give those compliments because our black boys and girls are so beautiful, and they don't even hear those things on a day-to-day. So I'm like, oh my god, your hair is so pretty. My little girls in school come with a little ponytail, their hair is so pretty. And you know, just embrace them and continue to tell them that they are beautiful. Just continue. That's the end of my natural hair tag. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Let me know down in the comment section so we can talk more about it. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.